If you are over 40, this video is especially for you. As we grow older, our bodies begin to change in quiet ways. Energy shifts, recovery slows, focus may feel different than it once did. Today, let's talk about a small fruit that can gently support your body during this stage of life. Blueberries. Not as a miracle food, not as a dramatic solution, but as a simple, natural fruit that supports long-term balance. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, especially compounds called anthocyanins. These are responsible for their deep blue color. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, which becomes more important as we age. Over time, oxidative stress can affect energy levels, skin health, and overall vitality. Blueberries work quietly. They do not force change. They support protection. Another important benefit of blueberries is their connection to brain health. Research has suggested that regular consumption of antioxidant-rich berries may support memory and cognitive function, especially in adults over 40. Blueberries also contain fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain steady energy levels. Stable digestion often means more consistent energy throughout the day. Blueberries are naturally low in calories and contain no added sugar. They are easy to include in daily life. A small handful, added to yogurt, mixed into oatmeal, or eaten on their own. Simple, consistent, gentle. In the next part, we'll explore how blueberries support heart health, blood sugar balance, and long-term vitality after 40. As we continue, let's look deeper at how blueberries support the body over time, especially after the age of 40. Heart health becomes increasingly important with age. Blueberries contain compounds that may support healthy circulation and help maintain balanced blood pressure when part of a healthy lifestyle. Their antioxidants help protect blood vessels from everyday stress. Blueberries also support blood sugar balance. Because they contain fiber and natural sugars in moderate amounts, they create a steadier response compared to processed sweets. For adults over 40, stable blood sugar can mean more consistent energy, clearer thinking, and fewer sudden crashes. Another quiet benefit is their potential support for healthy aging. The nutrients in blueberries help protect cells from daily wear and tear. This protection builds gradually, not overnight, but through consistency. Blueberries are not meant to replace meals, they are meant to support them. A small handful each day can become a calm daily habit. Over time, small habits create meaningful change. If this information has been helpful to you, and you would like more calm, science-based explanations about everyday foods, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, a simple like helps more people discover balanced, trustworthy health content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.